We are the Nature Conservancy, working around the world and in your backyard to protect the lands and waters that sustain our island way of life. Hawaii Island is a natural and evolutionary wonder, but its rich tapestry of life masks a troubled environment. Beneath the canopy of the Hawaiian forest, a mysterious disease ravages our native ohia trees. Below the ocean's surface lie bleached and degraded coral reefs. The Nature Conservancy is meeting the challenge. Together with island communities, we're restoring Hawaii's nearshore reefs and fisheries.
So by removing invasive plants, we're making room that we can plant natives that we knew used to be here.
Working with island landowners, we're protecting the Mauka forests that supply us with fresh water. Nature Conservancy preserves protect the best of Hawaii's spectacular diversity of life and the many endangered plants and animals that have no other home. Sound science and innovation are hallmarks of our work. We take a non-confrontational, collaborative approach, conscious of the deep cultural roots of this land. We produce tangible, measurable results. In the battle to save Hawaii's environment, time is not our ally. Dramatic action is needed now to ensure the long-term survival of our native forests and living reefs. For the future well-being of Hawaii, there is no better choice than to invest in a healthy environment. And no better organization to invest in than the Nature Conservancy. Join us today in protecting the Hawaii we all know and love.